So today we are working with the SUMXTECH 255 pieces, 3+ for kids aged 3 or above. Freestyle Assembly Dream Factory. Okay, so on the back here it's all like the same thing. Well, almost the same thing. So it has big blocks. So I would recommend this for probably ages 3. Since it actually says ages 3. But it has big blocks, so any like little kids cannot eat like any of the blocks, because some kids like to try and like chew on it. Okay, so now that we've reviewed that part, let's get to opening it. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of tape. Wait, which way do I open this up? Oh, there. All right. Hold on. Just got it. Okay, we've got that open. Okay. So we've got the box opened. Ooh, this is huge inside. Alright. So what it comes with is a few bags of the blocks. And then, oh my gosh, there's like a ton of blocks. More blocks. Well, I'm going to sit some of these on the floor. There's like tons of the blocks. Oh, it's a motor. Oh my gosh. This stuff is big. Okay, so we got sheet number 1 for the building. And then sheet number 2 for building. Okay, so let's get this box out of the way. Oh yeah, then we got the instructions. I guess that came out. Alright, so okay, so we've got all the bags laid out. Alright, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 bags, and there's 2 of these Lego pads for building on. Okay. Well, this ain't made by Lego, but it's just like it. Okay, so let's get to building this. So we have this many packs. Me and my dad are gonna start trying to build this. It might be easy, it might be hard. We don't really know. But it should be easy since it's big blocks. There's not too many blocks, but there's a sort of a lot. So we're gonna go ahead and build this. We'll see you through the process. Okay, so right now it's raining, but we've got this pretty good. Alright, so we started off with step 1 and step 2. And then, so the blocks are really easy to set on. Hold on, I'll take off this one and show you me putting it back. Alright, I'll just check that one. Alright, so this is how easy they go on. They easily just slip on. Alright, so then I got this tree top. It says we need to add the tree top on top of the wood. So we just add that in there. We got ourselves a tree. Okay, so we're going to continue making the rest of this, I guess. Okay, wow. Alright, so we've gotten like a lot of this done. Well, not really a lot, but we're almost done. So we'll catch you later whenever we're almost done.
Okay, as you can see, we've got a lot of progress on the Lego build here. So right now I'm going to show you how to build this tower that the marbles travel up on. So first step is we're going to hit the base. So here's the base of the tower. And then we're going to place the next piece on top of that. Should just snap right in. Just like that. Alright, so we got that part. Now, we're going to take the parts here like this, and we're going to snap them together. Alright, so we got those pieces snapped together. And then you just got to make sure that your, if you look at the lines here on each piece, you just make sure that they match all the way down. You don't want to have them offset. So alright, so we got the tower built, and then now we're getting the inside for it, the corkscrew or the what they call the auger to bring the marbles up assembled. Alright, we got the auger all assembled. Now when you do put this together, make sure that the pieces of the auger match up and they're not offset. So, alright, we finally got the tower put together. So on this one here, we'll insert the battery later, but you put a AA battery and you can power it, or you can use the crank here to manually make the marbles go up.
It looks a lot faster with the crank.
And as you can see, this is what it looks like when it's all assembled.
This thing is sick. I love this. Wait, what if he can go? Hey, let's go, buddy. We're going in. Wait, he go down the slide. He just fell.